In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GTD dashboard in Notion. Getting Things Done, or GTD, is a methodology that helps you manage your tasks and projects efficiently, and with Notion, you can easily create a centralized dashboard to keep track of everything. This process will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Notion account. If you haven't already set up a Notion account, take a moment to do so. Notion is a versatile tool that allows you to organize your tasks, notes, and databases all in one place, and it's perfect for implementing the GTD system. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a new page. You can do this by heading to the sidebar and selecting Add a Page. This will be the foundation of your GTD dashboard. When the new page is created, you should give it a clear and appropriate name, like GTD Dashboard. Naming your dashboard properly is crucial for easy access and identification, especially if you manage multiple pages. Now let's build the core of your dashboard, your main menu. This will serve as your central hub, where you can quickly navigate between different sections of your GTD system. Think of it as your command center that is styled and organized to suit your workflow. With your main menu set up, the next step is to create an inbox database. The inbox is a crucial element in GTD, acting as a temporary holding area where you can capture all your ideas, to-dos, and unprocessed items. This ensures that nothing slips through the cracks, and you can process each item when it's convenient. Once your inbox is established, it's time to enhance it by adding properties inside your database. These properties might include due dates, statuses, or any other relevant information that will help you sort and prioritize items effectively. Notion supports a wide array of property types, so feel free to customize this according to your needs. In addition to your inbox, you'll want to create a projects database. Your projects database will help you track tasks and subtasks related to specific projects. Adding properties that align with your project management needs can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. As your final step, you might be interested in adding more databases to your GTD system. Depending on your workflow, you can include databases for specific areas, such as a someday maybe list, or even a completed tasks archive. The goal is to create a comprehensive system that works seamlessly for you. And there you have it, a robust GTD dashboard in Notion. This setup will help you keep your tasks and projects organized, ensuring you're always aware of what needs your attention. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.